Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on learning management systems. Today I'm going to show you the LMS Seesaw. So first we'll just go to Google and search. If you don't have this downloaded on your phone, I'm going to type in Seesaw. You can download this on mobile and tablets devices. Just go to the App Store, search Seesaw. We can go to this first or second link, both lead us to the same place, app.seesaw.me. This is the app that we're going to get into, but I'll just show you the seesaw.com if this is your first time. So here there's some links and information about what Seesaw has to offer. Here is the login in the upper right. So we're just going to click on that. You're just going to sign up as teacher, student, or family member. As a teacher, I'm going to go here, sign in with my Google email, and then this is the home page. So up here, we have a couple shortcuts. As teacher, we can post a journal, create an activity, generate an AI activity, and message families. So, there's a lot of tools on this platform, so I'm not going to go through all of them today, but here, it's a all-in-one platform, so you can communicate with students and parents. You can also, students can communicate with each other on activities. But today I really just want to show you the activity that I made and just some of the possibilities of using Seesaw at home. So for home lessons here, so if you're a student or parent trying to get access to the course, there's two ways we can do that. Here at the bottom, as the teacher or the creator of the course, I can invite students and families into the course by sending an email, or students or parents can find the course through this class code. So this class code expires every 7 days. So the teacher needs to send the code to the students. They can search for it, or they'll receive an invitation in their email by the teacher. So for the lesson, we're going to go up here to activities and start. So this is a digital scavenger hunt. This activity is something that you can do outside of the classroom, and this is for pre-K students. So here, I'm just listing, and this is mostly for parents or educators, but this lesson is to apply to the Oklahoma academic standards for English language and arts. Listen carefully to simple one-step oral directions. And they're using technology in this course by using a digital camera or tablet to take photos based on the directions. Again, emphasizing that this is designed for pre-K students to follow simple one-step oral directions. These are the Oklahoma academic standards for English language arts. These are the learning goals and the materials you will need for this activity. I'm taking students into the park, so outside of the classroom. So now the lesson begins. Top secret mission. So this is really combining play into learning. While the prompts may be a little bit long and difficult for pre-K students to read, there's audio prompts. So students and parents can show the students, they can model how to use this first, and then really with less guidance. So students can pretty much navigate this by themselves, but parents can also be there for guidance. So they can listen to the audio prompts, swipe to the next screen, and then task 1. So find 2 acorns and use the tablet to take a close-up photo of them. So they just use the tablet, they go and take a photo, and then record their voice, what they took a photo of. So here they're just creating a digital portfolio, and they're using their own language to describe what it is that they took a photo of. And they go through the tasks, creating this digital portfolio. At the very end, they're going to submit, just go to done, and then this will be submitted to, go done, this will be submitted, and then, so students can like, comment, and teachers can also leave comments about their works. So this lesson adheres to academic standards for English language and arts for pre-K level, as well as integrating technology. So students may have a little bit of a different experience with following oral commands. So Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see y'all next time.